Hey, I'm Nick and welcome to my kitchen. On this week's Technique Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to glaze root vegetables. Glazing is a great replacement for roasting root vegetables. It comes out glossy and tender every single time. To get started, go ahead and wash and peel 4 whole carrots. Now, once we're done peeling, we're going to use the oblique cut to cut even-sized pieces of our carrots. Once you top and tail the carrot, go ahead and make your first cut at 45 degrees and then rotate the carrot towards you 90 degrees and make another 45-degree cut. This will leave you with pieces of carrot that look like a triangle. Now, when you're working from the bottom of the carrot, the thinnest part, you're going to want to cut a little bit longer pieces to make sure that it cooks evenly throughout. Go ahead and repeat this process with all 4 carrots until they're all cut to roughly the same size. And then we just need a couple other ingredients. A couple tablespoons of butter, a pinch of sugar to help extract the natural sweetness of the carrot, and a couple cups of water, as well as kosher salt. In a large pan over medium heat, we're gonna go ahead and add our carrots, and then we're going to fill it up with water to cover the carrots almost entirely. There should only be a tiny little bit of the carrot showing after we've added water to the pan. Next, we're gonna need to add our pinch of sugar. Just a little tiny pinch to help bring out the natural sweetness in those carrots goes a really long way. Follow that up with a tablespoon of butter, and then we're just going to allow this to cook. We want to keep this on a steady medium heat and come in and stir it every once in a while. Basically, we just want those carrots to be dancing in the pan while we cook down the liquid. And in this case, the water will evaporate in anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and you're going to end up with bright, shiny carrots that have this beautiful, thick glaze. Go ahead and season with kosher salt, and let's get it plated up. And I learned this technique from Thomas Keller. It's incredible. I eat these carrots at least once or twice a week. They taste so good. There's so many other substitutes that you can use as well for the liquid and as well for the sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and show you another option. And you can use whatever root vegetable that you want to use. And for the liquid, this time we use chicken broth, and the sweetener we use maple syrup. You can also use honey, beautiful sweetener. Cook down again 25-30 minutes. Go ahead and plate. Give it a try. These beets were incredibly delicious. There's so much sweetness in a beet. And there you go. That's the technique for glazing vegetables. I hope you guys liked this episode of Technique Tuesday. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, click that thumbs up button, and comment down below what technique you'd like to learn next. Until next time, get cooking.